Hey there, folks. It's the Credit Dad here, and today I want to tell you all about a little gem called Boompay, a rent reporting service that helps you build credit just by paying your rent. Yep, you heard me right. Now here's the deal. Most folks pay rent every month, and that's a big old bill, but it usually doesn't show up on your credit report. That's where Boompay steps in. They take those on-time rent payments and report them to the major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. That means you get credit for something you're already doing. Signing up is easy. You connect your bank account through the Boom app, verify your rent payments, and they handle the rest. They even give you the option to report up to 24 months of past rent, which can give your credit score a nice little jumpstart. It can jump your scores from 30 to 50 points in less than 30 days. As for the cost, it's pretty reasonable. Just $3 a month and a one-time fee of $25 if you want to report past rent history. That's cheaper than most credit builder loans and way less hassle. Bottom line, if you're renting and trying to build or rebuild your credit, Boompay is a no-brainer. It's like giving your credit score a little boost every month, like vitamins for your finances. That's all for today. Take care now and keep building that credit the smart way. This is the Credit Dad signing off.